When I started using my gimbal for my Fujifilm X-S10, I had a major problem. There wasn't enough space to have my camera seated and have my camera strap on at the same time. Not to mention, it would throw the balance of the gimbal off completely. Today I'm going to show you two cheap methods on how to quickly remove your camera straps. First method is either a carabiner or lockable C-joints. All you have to do is attach the carabiner to the camera, and whenever you need to release your camera straps, all you do is clip them off. But the problem that I see with this method is that they're not lockable. This is why I would try to find mini lockable carabiners, or you could use these screw down ones where you have to unscrew them to remove your camera strap. This makes the joints less likely to fail, even in the event that the strap gets caught on the part of the carabiners that open up. The second option is more expensive but a more elegant solution. They are a ripoff of the original brand's ones. These are quite a nice solution. You strap the circle side to your camera and attach your camera strap to the mounting mechanism. Whenever you want to remove your camera, all you have to do is press and slide the circle out and the strap is removed. It's a super easy solution and looks really elegant. It's also unlikely to fail due to how the camera's weight is downwards, whereas the mounting piece is faced upwards. Just keep an eye out for any cracks that occur later on. Relatively cheap from AliExpress and is my go-to for my camera strap. Those are my two solutions that I've been using so far and they work pretty well. Let me know how you remove your camera straps quickly in the comments below. Check out wirestech.org for some more awesome technology content. But other than that, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!